Hi guys. Today we're going to be looking at riddles, and these riddles are in relationship to place value reasoning. So our first set we're going to look at is tens and ones reasoning, and our riddle states, I have 6 tens and 17 ones. What number am I? And for this we're going to look at 10 frames. So our first step is seeing what it originally looks like. So it looks like we have 6 tens, full 10 frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 60, and then we have 17 ones. So 6 tens equals 60, 17 ones equals 17, and then 60 plus 17 equals 77. But this we're going to focus on regrouping and how that would look with the 10 frames. So let's go ahead and look at the bottom, and we see that we have our 6 original ones, but we added on an additional, and then we have another set, but there's only 7 in there. So this is a way to show regrouping. So we now have 7 full ones, which would equal 70, and we have 7 ones left over. So we have 77 total. So this is just a cool way to show regrouping with manipulatives and a base 10 set. Let me hide that. All right, so let's look at another riddle. And this riddle involves tens, hundreds, and ones. So this is using base 10 blocks, and our original picture shows that we have 15 tens and we have 12 ones. So this is our original picture, and now we're going over to the side to also regroup it and just pretty much see how we can simplify this and put it all together. So if we take 10 of these tens, that would create hundreds. And if we take 10 of these ones, that would create its own 10 stick. So 10 cubes turns into a 10 stick, and 10 sticks of 10 turns into a hundreds block. So this is another way to see this number, and our number is 162. So if we added up the tens first, 15 tens would give us 150, and then we add on 12, that would be 162. If we're looking at this picture, we have 100, so that's 100, and then we have 6 tens, which is 60, so 160, and then you add 2 more, and it's 162. So either way, you get 162, but this is just a good visual aid to see how those tens turns into hundreds and how ones turns into tens. So I just added 3 additional ways to solve this at the very bottom. So another way a student could solve this would be 100s and 62 ones. You also could do 16 tens and 2 ones, or 100s, 2 tens, and 62 ones. All right, so that's our second riddle. And for our third riddle, it's also hundreds, tens, and ones, but we just have a simple riddle and then 3 ways you could possibly solve this. So our riddle states, I have 26 tens and 11 ones. What number am I? And for this, our answer is just 271, but you could solve it in numerous ways. One way could be 200s, 7 tens, and a 1. So it would be 200 plus 70 plus 1 is 271. For our pink sticky note, you could do 200s, 6 tens, and 11 ones. So it would be 200 plus 60 plus 11. So that would be 271 again. And then one last way you could do it is 100s, 16 tens, and 11 ones. So you would have 100 plus 160, and that would be 260. And then you'd have 11 ones, and it would be 271. Thank you guys so much for watching.